The boom-type fiber laser mold welding machine features a novel boom-shaped structure. This design allows for highly flexible movement, enabling the welding head to reach various complex angles and positions within the working area. It can easily access hard-to-reach parts of the mold, which is especially crucial for molds with intricate geometries. The three-axis joystick enables the operator to precisely control the movement of the welding head in the X, Y, and Z axis. We can move welding head front, back, left, right, up, down by this joystick. There are buttons, one for spot welding, another for continuous welding. The electric XYZ work table enables the mold to be accurately positioned in three-dimensional space. This work table is designed to offer high precision movement. It can achieve extremely small step sizes. The rotary axis is primarily used to rotate the mold or the workpiece. This allows the welding head to access different parts of the mold from various angles, facilitating 360-degree welding. For example, when welding a cylindrical mold, the rotary axis can rotate the mold while the laser welding head moves along the axial direction, ensuring a complete and even weld around the circumference. The magnetic ball is often used to fix and align the workpiece. It can generate a magnetic force to hold the mold or small components in place, ensuring that they remain stable during the welding process. Fiber laser mold welding machines are equipped with different swing modes, each serving specific functions to enhance the welding quality and adapt to various welding requirements. Boom-type fiber laser mold welding machines have a wide range of applications in various industries due to their high precision welding capabilities and flexibility. The boom-type fiber laser mold welding machine can achieve deep and narrow welds with minimal distortion, maintaining the integrity of the mold structure. In the case of mold wear or damage during the production process, the machine can effectively repair the affected areas by depositing suitable filler materials, extending the service life of the molds. They can weld fine details and complex geometries with high accuracy, ensuring the quality of the mold cavities and cores. The boom-type fiber laser mold welding machine can be used to repair and modify molds made of heat-resistant materials. Boom-type fiber laser mold welding machines can be used for welding materials other than molds, automobile components, electrical appliance parts, aerospace components, jewelry, medical devices.